What if luxury could be redefined? Everyone has their style, and every era has its trends. What was once seen as a luxury can now be seen as normal. Today, wealthy buyers are changing the idea of luxury homes. Join us on Refined Radiance as we explore a new reality in luxury living, where architectural brilliance and innovative design redefine the standards of elegance. From breathtaking landscapes to exquisite interiors, each element is crafted to perfection. A focus on comfort and convenience. Modern luxury living is all about making life easier and more comfortable. Today, luxury homes use smart technology and clever design to achieve this. They have systems that can be controlled from a smartphone or with voice commands, making it simple to adjust things like lights, temperature, security, and entertainment. These features help to reduce stress and make daily life more convenient. With everything at your fingertips, luxury living has never been so effortless. Classic beauty and lasting quality. Luxury homes today combine classic style and modern technology. They're built with care, using high-quality materials that last a long time. Homeowners who value luxury appreciate the unique interiors, like custom-made woodwork, and the carefully chosen materials that only get better with age. These homes are a mix of old and new, creating spaces that look great and work well. It's all about creating a beautiful and functional home that will be loved for years to come. Creating homes for well-being. Luxury homes now focus on promoting well-being. They are designed to help residents live healthier lives, with open layouts that let in lots of natural light and connect them to nature. These homes often have gardens, green spaces, and rooftop terraces, providing peaceful retreats from city life. Wellness amenities like gyms, spas, and meditation rooms are also common, catering to the physical and mental health needs of residents. The goal is to create homes that support a balanced and healthy lifestyle, enhancing the overall well-being of those who live there. Energy-efficient homes. Luxury living now focuses on being sustainable and eco-friendly. This means using materials and systems that are good for the environment and save money. Luxury homes are built with things like solar panels, which use sunlight to create electricity, and systems to collect rainwater. They also use design elements that naturally keep the home comfortable without using extra energy. These features help reduce the home's impact on the environment and make it a comfortable place to live. Security and privacy. In today's connected world, privacy and security are very important. Luxury homes have top-notch security systems, like facial recognition and high-tech surveillance, to keep residents and their belongings safe. These homes also offer peace and quiet, keeping out the noise and distractions of the outside world. This way, residents can feel safe and relaxed in their own homes. The social side of luxury living. Luxury living isn't just about the house, it's also about the community. In luxury neighborhoods, there are often shared spaces like clubhouses and gardens where residents can meet and socialize. These spaces help create a sense of belonging and community spirit. They also offer opportunities for shared experiences, like social events and gatherings, which add extra value to the luxury living experience. Living in a luxury community isn't just about the fancy house. It's about being part of a community where people come together and enjoy each other's company. Personalized luxury. Luxury homes today offer customization to match the owner's preferences. People desire homes that reflect their individual style, whether it's a lavish home theater, a wine cellar, or an art gallery. The ability to personalize every aspect of their living space is a defining feature of contemporary luxury. This customization allows homeowners to create a space that is uniquely theirs, tailored to their lifestyle and tastes. Whether it's a cozy reading nook or a spacious entertainment area, luxury homes are designed to cater to the specific desires of their owners, making them truly exceptional places to live. If you've enjoyed exploring this new reality of luxury homes, please like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest trends in luxury living. Thank you for watching Refined Radiance.